What's going on, beautiful people? So I'm about to do a video real quick. Well, actually, I'm going to just let you watch a video on my man Brian Rose going over how to sign up on your cell phone. So we're going to go ahead without further ado. And then after that, I'm going to show you, if you see my last video where I joined and I put my 3BNB, you would think like the next day you'll start seeing the money that's supposed to accumulate that I can withdraw. But boy, do I got some stuff to show you. So let's go ahead and I want to start from the beginning.
Yes. All right, what's up, everybody? So I believe I'm doing this live stream Zoom through Facebook. So welcome to the group. This group is about making passive income through FastBNB. You can see in the group we have lots of cool stuff. Let me go ahead and mute this. All right. And if you're tuning in, say hi, like this, comment. But I want to show you something. Like, I need your attention. If you are sharing this platform, I want you to pay attention to this specifically. And I want you to maybe talk to the person that brought you in so you don't make mistakes in enrolling people. We are not a traditional click my link and join platform. You have to have Metamask set up on your phone. And if you don't know what Metamask is, let me go ahead and share my screen here so you can get an idea on what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and share my smartphone right to this. So as you see,
awesome.
And we'll just get all this other stuff off the background, which is annoying. And yeah, so cool stuff. So right here, I have my cell phone. You're seeing this.
Oh, there we go.
I hope you're seeing this on the group. Let me go and make sure. And yes, I believe you're seeing it. So if you see it, say hi. Tell me you see it. All right, cool. I see it on there. I'm looking too. So, all right, you need Metamask. Metamask, that little fox. You're going to set Metamask up. You're brand new. You're wanting to get started. You're wanting other people to get started. You need them to set up Metamask. And then they need to set up a Binance Smart Chain. When they go to set up a Binance Smart Chain on this, they're going to click those three lines at the top left. They're going to go to Settings. They're going to go to Networks, and they're going to add Network. And then you just fill in the information here. It's, Binance Smart Chain. There's a link you got to post, chain 56, symbol BNB, and then a block explorer URL link too. I'll put those in the comments of this video too. So that's how you set up a Binance Smart Chain. So this is something I want to show you too. On this, you can literally go to the account. Like say this is an account right here that I want to sign up to, but I want to show you something neat. So someone sends you your link or you send their link. Once they get Metamask set up, they got a Binance Smart Chain set up, they have BNB in their account. You are going to give them the link. But what they're going to do is just hold that link down and copy it. That's it. Then they're going to go back to their MetaMask. So in their MetaMask, maybe they just created an account. So right here, they created a new account. So they're going to go to their account and they're going to name it. You just hold this down right here and call it, FastBNB, and just whatever you want. You don't have to name it. You can name it whatever you want. But this is when, oh look, I don't have Binance Smart Chain. So you're either going to have to buy some through crypto.com or Trust Wallet or Binance US or Binance, or if you have it in a different wallet, you can actually just get this receiving address to the current wallet you're in. So the wallet I'm in, I'm going to grab the receiving address. I'm going to copy. This is a cool detailed one I'm showing you. I'm going to go to this other one.
Appreciate you, Brian.
BNB. Let's send it from right here. BNB. Send. I'm going to paste that wallet address here. Hit next. Put in 1.03. I always put a little extra, and you'll see why. Let's do 1.04. Next. There's gas fees, which are transaction fees. And now I'm submitting that. So now I'm going to go back to this wallet that I have in here, FastBNB, and you're going to see that money pop up. Bang, there it is. Now this account is ready to set up. And what I'm going to do now is go back here, like I'm getting started. I'm going to take this link, you copy it. Notice I didn't open the link. You're going to tell the people, copy the link. Go to MetaMask then, because I'm in this account. You're going to click the 3 lines at the top. You're going to click browser. Okay, follow me? You're going to click browser Binance Smart Chain at the top. You're going to exit out this home MetaMask. And you're going to paste that link and hit go. When you do that, it creates a new page. And you're going to be able to hit dashboard and see that there's nothing in here because this is your new account. This is what I want you to do. Instead of putting all one BNB in, I just want you to do a test run, 0.12. And then hit stake. When you hit stake, you'll confirm it. And now the person should be linked to you. They should be connected. The withdrawal available balance will start. It's, making the money, making the BNB. And then it'll show what's deposited here. See, 0.12 is deposited. So now this is the cool part. I'm going to exit out of this. Normally you don't have multiple accounts on one phone, but I'm going to go back to the account that I signed up to. And, first and foremost, you want to grab the wallet that we just set up. So I'm going to go back here real quick. I'll show you this. So you just type in FAS, it brings it up and connects to this. So see that your address right here? Let's look at 0x03. Okay, so now I'm going to close this one. I'm going to go back to the account that I set it up to. I'm going to hit, +1. I'm going to click browser at the top, exit that out, FastBNB, and it connects to that inner network that I have in here too. I'm going to click dashboard. I'm going to go down. All right, now how do I know that this account is direct to this account? Well, now I have to check referrals. Let's check. Oh, there it is, 0x03.12. All right, this does take a little bit longer, folks, but you don't lose people. This is the deal. Don't lose people. Help them walk through. I'm going to go back to FastBNB. I'm going to hit plus. And then I'm going to click on the browser at the top, exit that out, FastBNB. It opens it up again. Now it's linked to that account that's in that wallet because see, I'm in the FastBNB wallet that I've been talking about. Go back to dashboard. I'm going to go, hey, let's just put in, I don't know, 0.75, and you're going to stake that. And then you will hit confirm. And now the person, they're connected to you. You know that you see them in your back office under referrals. And now it's going to increase the total deposit of that person, which you will see. You're going to get a 6% fast start on this because you're the one that's enrolling them. Every time they refarm or make another contract, you get 6%. And then this withdrawal button is just going to get higher and higher. So that is the really cool part about this. So that's what I wanted to show. I don't want you to lose people. I don't want people to.
Believe me, I already lost one BNB, so I know what he means.
Watch this video, tag people in this video, but that is how you set it up. I'm sorry I had to make multiple accounts on my phone because I'm not brand new, but you're only going to have one. It's going to be a lot easier. You're not going to be moving through wallets. You're going to have one wallet. You're going to have the browser. You're going to paste the person that invited you up at the top of the browser. You're going to hit enter, go, and then it's going to say connect. And you're going to click that connect, and then it connects your wallet to their link. And then you're going to hit dashboard, and you're going to go in and do a test run of 0.12 or 0.15 or 0.10. And then that person that you are hopefully enrolling to is going to say, yes, I see you back there. I see you put 1.0 in, or what's your wallet address? What's the first 4? And they see it in there. Then you can go in and you can add more to it. So don't lose people. So attention, please let me have your attention. This is not a traditional click my link and join my business. This is set up MetaMask, set up a Binance Smart Chain, get some BNB in your account. Little advice, crypto.com does not hold your BNB. It's a great place to buy it. When you send it over to MetaMask, you send it to BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. And when you send it, it goes to MetaMask, and that's how you get funded. And when you want to send it back, you would deposit it back to crypto.com and BSC, Binance Smart Chain, sell it to fiat, add it to your crypto.com card, add it to your bank account. That easy, folks. We are going to continue with education here. We want everybody to understand how this works. And yeah, I hope this sheds some light on the enrollment process, but take your time. There's no rush. Let's have fun here. Let's make sure we're all connected and make sure we're all having money. And so have a great Tuesday, and I'll talk to y'all later.
So that is awesome, people. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So make sure you follow those steps. You follow those steps so that you make sure you're getting your introducers or your inviters link. Your inviters link. If you look at my last video, I went through how I took my inviters link and made sure it was him and pasted it, and then I got my back office. But another thing I wanted to show you is because I joined, right? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna join the farming, and I'm like, okay, I'll put in 3 BNB. And probably tomorrow I'll see my funds and I can withdraw tomorrow. Had no idea that I was only watching my money grow right here. Let's just let it sit there for a second. I just did this not too long ago. Put this in here. I'm already up to $4.25. Let's just let it sit there for a second. Just let you see how fast it's growing. Boom. $4.26. Let's just do it. Let's let it just sit there for another. We're gonna do a full minute, and see how many times it moves in a minute. All right, $4.27. I have 4:29 on my clock. As soon as it hits 4:30, I'm gonna stop. So I want you to just look at it. Just keep watching it. 4:28. This is growing like while we're watching it. $4.29. See? And it's 4:30. So I'm gonna stop here. It's growing while I watch it. I didn't even know that, because I was so excited about getting in. I didn't even picture that. And it's right here too, before you see it. It's growing, and when it's time to withdraw, you'll withdraw from here. And I'll probably wait till it's enough. I'm not going to withdraw. I'm going to recompound. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is where he said when you come back and you check your referrals. So obviously I just started. Let's put a bunch of videos out real fast so I can have some videos out there in the space. And people choose to join with me, they'll join with me. And so I just showed you how to do it on there. You have to have MetaMask set up already. MetaMask. You need to have MetaMask set up on your computer or your phone, just like he just said. You can use crypto.com to buy BNB and send BNB over to your MetaMask account. You can buy it and send it over here to your MetaMask account. As soon as this hits 0.1, I'm going to go ahead and get me another one. We'll have be 103 or 13. I think it's 103, but I'm not far away from it. So I have another opportunity. I'm gonna pull that out of there and put it in here, and then put it back in here, and just keep this growing. Keep it growing and growing and growing and growing to about 3% a day, people. So that means you can compound daily. So my 3 BNB can be 9 BNB in no time. 3 BNB turns into 9 BNB. 3% a day. That's $30 for every $1,000 daily. So I'm already over $30 starting. So shoot, I could take it to $200 a day and stop and be happy. But no, we just gonna keep rocking this thing. We're gonna keep Rocking it, rocking it, rocking it. Maybe $300 a day would be nice. 4, 5. I mean, you know, if you can do it, do it. You know what I'm saying? If you can do it, do it. Or just keep rocking it until like, oh, well, you know, I need 1,000% real quick. Then take a quick 1,000 out. That's what you can do. This is like your personal bank. This is like your bank. You know what I'm saying? Everybody was talking about having their own bank. This is like your personal bank. But make sure you have your MetaMask set up and make sure you use my link if you're joining under me. You can see my link right up here at the top. That's going to be the half part of my link. So just make sure that you're using my link that's provided for you inside my YouTube channel. But make sure you have MetaMask. You got to have MetaMask. There are plenty of videos on MetaMask. How to use, how to get set up through MetaMask. I might just put together a quick Weebly page again for this opportunity also, which it won't take me long at all to do that. I'll put one together and then just give you the directions, but it's simple, people. It's very simple. Then I'll put this video on it too, so you can see how to do it on a cell phone. But that's your boy Terrence Gibson, just showing you how to sign up on a cell phone. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team. Let's get busy, and I will get you into the Facebook group. The Facebook group I've been using to show you these videos. All right, people. Peace and bye.